Hi everyone, so we're back here and now you're going to have the division of polynomials. So we start first by dividing the polynomials by one term. So parang naging multiplication lang din ang eksena niya. So with this division of polynomials by one term, we just need to apply what we learned regarding the laws of exponents. So ano po ba yung natutunan natin doon about the quotient rule? Sabi nga po sa quotient rule, if we are dividing the same variable, then what are we going to do with their exponents? So we just need to subtract their exponents. So the x raised to 5 divided by x raised to 2 will be x raised to 5 minus 2. And that will give us an answer of x raised to 3. So that is how we are going to do the division of polynomials. Another example, if I have here 8x raised to 9 all over 2x raised to 3. So for the numerical coefficient, just proceed with the division. What is 8 divided by 2? It will be 4. Very good. And then the x raised to 9 all over x raised to 3. So that is x raised to 6. Nice one. Okay. Another one, if we have here 12 x raised to 11 y raised to 15 all over 4 x raised to 2 y. Okay, so again, let's just divide 12 by 4. So that is 3. And then the x will have an exponent of 9. Very good. And how about y? We'll have the exponent of 14 because it will be 15 minus 1. So that is 14. Very good. Okay, so what if I have here 25 x raised to 3 y raised to 2 all over 5x y raised to 2. So the 25 divided by 5, 5. Very good. So x raised to 3 divided by x squared. And how about y squared divided by y squared? Paano po yan, sir? That will be y raised to 0. And what is the thing if we have an exponent of 0? That will be 1. Tama po ba? So kung 1 po siya, ibig sabihin 5x squared times 1 is simply 5x squared na lang po. Okay? So maka-cancel out na yung y squared po natin. Okay? Okay, let's have more examples. So if I have here 24 x raised to 9, y raised to 7, z raised to 12, all over 12 x raised to 9, y, z raised to 3. So what are we going to do? So again, let's divide the numerical coefficient. 24 divided by 12 will give us an answer of 2. Very good. The x raised to 9 divided by x raised to 9. So that will be x raised to 0. So that is, we can just cancel out x raised to 9. X raised to 9. So y raised to 7 divided by y is y raised to 6. And then z raised to 12 divided by z raised to 3. It's z raised to 9. Very good. So that will be our answer. What if I have here 30 x raised to 15 y raised to 13 all over 12 x raised to 10 y raised to 2. What is 30 divided by 12? Sir, hindi naman po siya ng maayos or complete. Kumbaga nga, hindi naman siya divisible. So let's just have the lowest term of 30 over 12. Both numbers are divisible by 6. So 30 divided by 6, it will be 5 over 12 divided by 6 is 2. And then x raised to 15 divided by x raised to 10, it will be x raised to 5. Very good. And then the y, it's y raised to 11. So sa numerator na rin po lalabas yung sagot niya. Okay? So that is if we are dividing one term by a one term. What if the numerator consists of more than one term? For example, we have here 8x raised to 9 minus 4x raised to 6. Then both numbers, or these two, will be divided by 2x. So what are we going to do with this one? So actually, this can be separated into 8x raised to 9 divided by 2x minus 4x raised to 6 divided by 2x. Now, you can divide this. Diba? Yan naman ang natutunan natin kanina. What is 8x raised to 9 divided by 2x? So, 8 divided by 2 is 4. X raised to 9 divided by x is x raised to 8. Very good. Then the other one, 4 divided by 2, it's 2. Very good. And x raised to 6 divided by x, it's x raised to 5. So, ayan na po ang sagot. Okay? Dagdagan pa natin para mas masanay. Diba po? So, if I have here 10 x raised to 12 minus 15 x raised to 7 plus 25 x raised to 2, and that is to be divided by 5x squared. So what are we going to do? So again, you can just separate these three by having 10x squared divided by, rather 10x raised to 12 divided by 5x raised to 2 minus 15x raised to 7 divided by 5x squared plus 25x squared divided by 5x squared. So what will be our answer? So 10x raised to 12 divided by 5x raised to 2, it's 2x raised to 10. Very good. The next one will be minus 3x raised to 5. Very good. And last but not the least, it will be plus 5 only. Because x squared divided by x squared, it can be cancelled already. So, ito na lang po ang dito. Okay? More examples po para masanay po tayo, di ba? So, if I have here 18x raised to 5, y raised to 2, minus 6x raised to 2y, all over 6x raised to 2. So what are we going to do? So we have here 18x raised to 5, y raised to 2, all over 6x raised to 2y minus 6x raised to 2y all over 6x raised to 2. So simplify. So 18 divided by 6 is 3. Congratulations. How about x raised to 5 all over x squared? It's x raised to 3. Nice one. And then y squared divided by y, it's y. Minus. O paano po yan? Kitang-kita nyo naman parehong-pareho, as in lahat ay parehong-pareho. 6x squared y divided by 6x squared y. So that will be as simple as 1. Any number divided by itself is equal to 1. Okay po? Yan. Sige nga, I want you to try to answer this. If we have here the 24, x raised to 13 minus 15x raised to 8 plus 21x raised to 5 divided by 3x raised to 3. I wanted to try to answer this one. So pause this video and then, so what will be the answer? So 24x raised to 13 divided by 3x cubed, that will give us an answer of 8x raised to 10. Very good. So nakuha po ba yan? How about the other one? It's minus 15x raised to 8 divided by 3x raised to 3. So that is 5x raised to 5. Nakuha po ba ulit? Congratulations! And then the last one, it's 21x raised to 5 divided by 3x raised to 3. So that is 7x raised to 2. Very good. So ito na ang magiging final answer po. Okay. Nakuha po ba ang tamang sagot? Very good. Sige, isa pa para mas lalong masanay, di ba? Okay. So, we have here 3x raised to 8, y raised to 3, plus 6x raised to 5, y raised to 2, minus 9x raised to 3, y to be divided by 3x raised to 3y. So, pause the video again. And then, so what will be our answer? So, 3x raised to 8, y raised to 3 divided by 3x raised to 3y. So, 3 divided by 3 is simply 1. And then, that is x raised to 5, y squared. So, 1x raised to 5, y squared, or simply x raised to 5, y squared, plus 6x raised to 5, y raised to 2 divided by 3x cubed y. So what do you think will be your answer here? It's 2x squared, y raised to 1, or simply y na lang po. Okay? And then, minus 9 divided by 3, it's 3. Kaso parehong-pareho na yung x cubed y at saka x cubed y niya. So that will be 1. And 3 times 1 is simply 3 pa din po. So this will be our final answer. Congratulations sa pagkuha ng tamang sagot. Okay po? So that's the end for the division of polynomials by one term. So yung dividend natin dito ay one term lang po. Thank you!